Then again, I could probably use the suck gun for these. Just like that. It's like I've got an unlimited flamethrower, since the flamethrower is useful against small enemies. As is this. Pong? It's a good game. Pong. Right.
I got some great bargains for you.
You have. Oh!
That's a real beauty.
Is there not a release date for Machine for Pigs yet? Oh no, there's big guys, go away. Doesn't even do enough damage. Hopefully this was a checkpoint. No! Bog off! I shouldn't have done that. Might have released a monster upon the world. Might have released me. Oh, look at that. What a leap. Do I want to go in here? Oh, yes! That question, forget it ever happened. Hug it. It disappeared. You didn't grab it fast enough, you idiot. Oh. GG. Good game, bro. Right. Ah. Shut you up with that. Bombs are better. I reckon. I'm gonna die. No! Throw them at him! Why is there a hole in the floor? What are you throwing at? What a fool. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. There's health. And I wanted it. Do I sense boss? Oh, it is. Oh, we don't get even we don't get boss music. It's not fair. You're a very easy boss. You're probably not. That's not the gun I wanted. Oh, it stops. I'm using your own babies against you. Ugh. Now that is a dodge. Ugh. Oh yeah? Oh no. That makes me feel skill. I know how to dodge things now. Quick. Oh, never mind. Dodge into them. Okay, I'm only here. It's not too bad, I guess. Go away! Is there any health in here? Yes. Save my bombs. In fact, I guess I'll buy some more.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. Bye. I'm surprised there's only 9 people here. People have had hours to notice. But oh well. The audience is good enough as it is. Oh, blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Didn't even do anything. Oh my god! Metal Gear. Oh. No. That was rubbish. I'll doom you with my glove. It does a lot of damage. But now people are arriving. What? He died! Bye. Do I get a lot for this? I get nothing. It's the complete opposite. Well, fudge you then. Whoop. Oh, we're almost done. What is this question mark coming up though? Ah. What are you doing? It's a bloke.
Thought I was a goner this time.
So did I.
Nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
I mean, I hoped you were a goner.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
Respect?
You are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek.
Oh.
For instance, the OLA.
Can I have them?
My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these?
No, you're not fat enough.
After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount too.
2,000?
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
You can't. You bought the grind boots. I don't know what they do, but they grind. They grind for bolts, so you can make money even faster. Can I go in this room? No, so it'll never be filled out on my map, even though it kind of is. But there's a little grey whoop still. Oh. What the naff? I was clearly in an encased tube. Wee, they let me grind, they actually do. Oh great, you can jump as well. I'm sure they're going to make use of this later, for increased difficulty. Whoop whoop! How are you supposed to get them all? Probably by double smash. Oh right.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. Again. You're maxed out? Whoa.
That's a real beauty.
I don't care. No, I'm not buying more of those. I never use them. Right. I think I'm going to end the stream when I land on whatever planet is next. Oh yeah, Bioshock Infinite should be quite in... Wait, oh yeah. Bioshock Infinite should be interesting. But I don't know why they call it Bioshock, because it's not underwater. Can I make use of these elsewhere? I don't think so. Pew! Whoosh! 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 I'm pretty sure they call them Bioshock because they're underwater, because I think bio is something to do with water as well. Maybe. I'm not sure. Like a biosuit is something, I don't know. Just like System Shock was in space, surrounded by technology and systems. But I don't know. I think this was in the demo as well. Right, a random bolt just flew from across the world.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
What's that? I guess I'll try that before I go. It's another glove! He looked very happy about that. What does it do? So like, it's a worse version of the bomb glove. Whoop. Whoop. Sit on it. Shove it up your nose. Oh, okay, it's not in my quick thingy. That's alright. Anyway.